Alright guys, welcome back to another video of my blockchain miners. Guys, काफी ठंड हो रही है, काफी अच्छा weather है, and we have some very hot miners right now with us. Ice River KS3M in the house, guys. And guys, ये one of the most profitable miners है इस समय current market में, and they are mining on K heavy hash algorithm and mining the Kaspa coin. So let's just talk about this miner कि कितना तेरा हैश है इसका, what's the speed, what's the wattage, how much is the revenue right now, how much you can make in 1 month. Let's calculate that. So Ice River KS3M. So this particular model is 6 terahash. तो इसकी जो hash rate हो गई, which is nothing but the speed of the miner is 6 terahash per second. तो ये इसकी hash rate हो गई. Now let's talk about the power consumption. Power consumption is somewhere around 3400 watts. Although ये power ज़्यादा consume कर रहा है, but then this is a very profitable miner right now. Currently, this miner is giving a revenue of about $80 a day, guys. $80 a day. Massive profits, guys. बहुत बढ़िया profits हैं इस miner के, and this is one of the best and the biggest buyers right now for Kaspa mining. थोड़ा रिस्की है, बट रिस्क है तो इश्क है. That's all the crypto about, right? So Kaspa, we all know Kaspa was rising ever since. Kaspa grew from, when once it launched, it's almost been like 2 years, less than 2 years. But then Kaspa ने जो gain किया है momentum, Kaspa की जो price बढ़ी है, remarkable. We used to mine Kaspa on GPUs. I think we have made a couple of videos on that. You can have a look from GPUs कैसे हम लोग पहले mine करते थे. But then the hash rate increased, the network hash rate increased. As soon as we got such miners from Ice River KS0, Ice River KS0 Pro, then there is KS1, KS2, KS3M, then इसके ऊपर भी KS3L भी पहले आया था, and then KS3 is also there, 8 terahash machine. तो guys, ये सबसे ज़्यादा profitable miners हैं इस समय, and $80 के हिसाब से तो guys बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़िया है इसकी. बहुत ज्यादा बढ़िया प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी बनेगी. तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कैलकुलेशन. प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी विल बी लाइक, अगर इसका हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कैलकुलेट कर लें तो दैट विल बी समवेयर अराउंड 3.4 into 24 into 30, which is somewhere around 2450 units monthly. And the revenue which we are getting is huge. Revenue will be somewhere around rupees 1,80,000 per month. Guys, electricity बहुत ही कम आएगी इसकी, मतलब as compared to the profits, as compared to the revenue, electricity काफी कम लग रही है, but the revenue is very good. So guys, this is one of those miners जिसको एक थोड़ा risk होता है. The price is also higher. But then we can definitely use it to mine Kaspa with the maximum efficiency. If you are buying KS0 Pros, that is also good for home-based mining. But if you want a worth it machine, value for money, this machine is value for money basically, because 8 terahash is very expensive, and then 2 terahash and 1 terahash are not that value for money if we compare it, talk about the hash rate and the revenue, etc. So this machine is absolutely the best machine for Kaspa you can buy right now. So in order to buy the machine, you can reach out to me on this WhatsApp number, or you can visit our website shop.mbminers.com. So guys, this was all about Kaspa mining Ice River KS3M 6 terahash machine. So guys, we'll be back in another video very soon, and I hope you guys are mining well. So keep mining, keep holding, and BTC to the moon, guys. Come on, see you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.